Hello everyone, my name is Kishore Bhargav. I am a health and wellness influencer. Today I am going to demonstrate some of the lower back strengthening exercises. I've got 7 exercises today to demonstrate. So these exercises will strengthen your lower back and it will increase the range of motion and also helps in reducing the pain as well. So let us start. So the first exercise today I'm going to show is just lie down on a mat or on a floor like this, okay, with your face down. Just relax, okay. So be in this position for about 3 minutes. So this is the first exercise, and this particular exercise will help in bringing down the load on the lower back, okay. So the second exercise is in the same position, okay. Try to bring up both of your hands, okay, and try to lift up your face and a little bit of your upper body in this way. Just lift up, hold it for 30 seconds. Normal breathing, okay, breathe in, breathe out normally. Just hold it for 30 seconds and come back. So like this you do 3 times, okay. So the third exercise is again same position. So a little bit of more back bending will do. So try to bring up your face and the upper body up to here, okay. Just relax, do it easily, okay, do it slowly. Normal breathe in, breathe out, and hold it for 30 seconds. If you are not able to place your hands here, you can place your hands here and hold it for 30 seconds. So the same exercise, do it 3 times. So the fourth one is about stand straight, okay, and hands on your hips, okay, and try to bend backwards, okay, like this, and come back. So when you bend backwards, breathe in, hold it for 2 seconds there, and then breathe out and come back, okay. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, breathe in, hold, breathe out. So do this exercise 10 times. So this is the fourth exercise. So the fifth one. So far these 4 exercises are for back bending, to increase the range of motion slowly by doing the back bending exercises. So now I'm going to show a few more exercises for forward bending. So before we do the full-fledged forward bending, let us do some of the prerequisites exercise and let us go step by step. So the first step is to do this particular exercises, okay. Just lie down on the floor like this, okay, and bring up both of your legs up to your chest by just pulling it, okay. Just pull it up to your chest and hold it for 30 seconds, okay. Hold it for 30 seconds. Normal breathe in, breathe out, hold it for 30 seconds. So if you're feeling uncomfortable in your neck, then try putting a pillow under it like this. Make it comfortable and then just pull it, hold it for 30 seconds, normal breathing, and relax, okay. Yeah, do this exercise 3 times. So this is the first part of forward bending and also the fifth exercise. So the next one, the 6th one, is we'll do it through a chair. Okay. Now sit on the edge of the chair and try to bend down your upper body down, okay. by putting your hands down as well. So while you go down, breathe in, hold it for 2 seconds, and while coming up, breathe out. So let's do. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So this is the 6th exercise and the second part of the forward bending. So do this exercise 10 times. Okay. I'm going to show the 7th and the final exercise. So the 7th one is the full-fledged forward bending. So just stand straight, okay, and slowly bend forward by breathing in. Slowly bend down, try to touch your feet, stay there for 2 seconds and breathe out and come up. So if you are not able to touch your feet, no worries, do it as much as you can. If you are able to do it till here, it is good, and if you are able to do it till here, that is well and good, no problem. Slowly you will gain the momentum and also the pain will reduce. So these are the 7 proven exercises which will help you reduce the pain on your lower back and increase the range of motion and also give a lot of strength to your lower back and to the entire spinal cord. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching. All the very best.